Hi friends! There is a lot of confusion among the JEE Main aspirants whether they should opt for JEE Main online exam or offline exam. So here we are going to tell you about the benefits for opting online JEE Main exam. Language of computer-based exam. Medium of exam will be English, Hindi and also Gujarati. During the exam, there will be an option to change the language mode also. What is computer-based examination? Computer-based exam is conducted using the local area network to make it safe, secure and uninterrupted, and by not using internet. The candidate can review or re-answer any question at any point of time during the examination. The candidate can change the option of the answer during the exam duration, and it is one of the most important features of computer-based examination. The candidate also has the option to mark any answer for review at later stage during the examination. There will be a panel on computer screen showing all the question numbers in different color scheme, which will indicate which are the questions answered, left unanswered and marked for review. Candidate will get the flexibility in choosing the exam date of his or her choice as per the convenience of the candidate. Candidate will also get the choice of shift if the exam is in 2 shifts based on his or her convenience. It will make candidate feel confident on use of information technology. You can also save up to ₹300 in exam fees as compared to pen or paper mode. Is it possible to change mode of examination from pen and paper based exam to computer based exam? Oh yes, the candidate can write mail to jeemain@nic.in with the subject caption as change of mode of exam from pen and paper to computer based. Please remember that provide your registration number and choice of city for computer based examination. So friends, we guess that your all doubts are clear now. Thank you. Have a great day.